Alternate your strength training workout with some yoga. Many who think of strength training equipment think of the massive muscles that many bodybuilders get and consequently show off in competitions. This can be a plus or a drawback for many consumers. The average consumer likes to be able to feel good about themselves when they go swimming, but many are concerned about building too much muscle and suffering from stereotypical viewpoints. This needn't be a worry for anyone considering strength training equipment. The average bodybuilder works out a lot in order to get the muscles they are famous for, plus they have to be on a very strict regimen with lots of protein and little or no fat. It would take you a lot of effort to become as built as the average bodybuilder. Many consumers can use simple free weights in order to maintain the muscle mass that they have or to add a little muscle strength. Some use strength training equipment to add a little tone or shape to certain areas of the body. If you use them properly and alternate your strength training workout with some yoga or stretching exercises, there is little risk of you bulking up too much. Many find that they enjoy the challenge of working out with strength training equipment. You can gradually increase the weight as you work out over a period of time, and after your workout you really will feel the burn in your muscles. Though you should be careful of using too much weight at once. It's easy to sprain a muscle and hurt yourself, putting you out of commission for a few days or more. A good rule of thumb is that if you think you can start out with a certain weight, begin about 5 or even 10 pounds lighter, and after a few repetitions move up to the next weight level. You can check out strength training equipment reviews online for an idea of what others are doing. Make sure you share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.